2005 INFINITI G35 4-door. What we got done on it, there's stock converters there and there. Then we put a custom Y pipe, because when he brought it, he just bought it, and when he bought it, the previous customer cut everything off, previous owner. So we did him a 2 1/4 inlet custom Y pipe right there, and then with a 2 1/2 outlet all the way back and back and back and all the way into a dual stainless steel muffler, blue flame, right there. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Man, it sounds good. That sounds really good. You like it? That's awesome. Sound decibels again. One more. 106 on the sound decibels, bro. That's awesome. Go ahead and back it out. Give it a little style to the side too. You can't beat that. Why'd you? Is it stick shift?
It's a stick shift.
Yeah. There we go. Handbrake. Handbrake. I'm talking to myself. Bye-bye. E-brake. There we go, much better. It's okay, come on. How low is it?
3 inches.
It's got a nice stance to it, yeah. Go ahead. G35 INFINITI. That sounds so good. You like it? All right. Let you guys hear on the inside. Another happy customer that just left. Go ahead. Beast mode! That was awesome. There it is. There's the screeches. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I did.